Wastewater is not typically a dinner time topic, but we will keep it clean. Just wanted you to know that scientists are dusting off the technology we came to know well during the pandemic to now track the spread of measles.
We saw an increasing trend of measles genetic material in wastewater samples in Mesa County. And so we reached out to the local public health department and let them know about those wastewater detections of measles. At the time, they had not identified any clinical cases. I'm Allison Wheeler. I am the Wastewater Surveillance Unit Manager and the co-director of the Colorado Wastewater Surveillance Center of Excellence at the Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment. We have been involved in wastewater surveillance since August of 2020. We have a Sentinel surveillance site system, and so it's made up of 21 wastewater utilities all across the state that collect samples for us twice weekly. With this data, we can assess trends of disease within a community for our standard targets, which right now are COVID, flu, RSV, EVD68, Mpox, and now, of course, measles.
That sampler will take a little bit of wastewater at regular intervals over a 24-hour period. My name is Shannon Matzinger, and I'm the Genomic Surveillance Program Manager here at the State Lab. We need at least 35 milliliters in a test tube, basically. And then what we do is we take 35 mils and we take it down to a volume that makes more sense to use on our instrument. When the reagents or the mix that we add that sample to detects the genetic material for, say, measles or the specific thing we're looking for, it emits a light, basically fluorescence. And the more fluorescence there is, the more copies or genetic material of that target or pathogen or illness is in the sample.
And then once the lab tests the samples, we share that data on our internal dashboard with our participating utilities and local public health departments. And then we post it to our public dashboard 24 hours later. Even though we have a great clinical surveillance system in place, wastewater could supplement that system. And that's exactly what it's built for.